Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you're fishing and you if you're trying to fish and you get out your rod and you freeze. So this is a problem that my friend had. Just in case you haven't, basically you downloaded this game on Steam and you pretty much still connected your controller to your PC, and that is why it is lagging and bugging like that. So just unplug your controller, restart the game, and you'll be fishing again in no time. It worked for my friend, and I hope it worked for you guys too. So that's what you can do if you get out your fishing rod and you freeze in place. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Hold on, let me get this fish first, because why is it so hard to catch? Okay. Almost there. There you go.